You're gonna be okay, alright? You're gonna be okay. Yeah, don't worry about that, dude. Yeah. The plastic is gone, dude.
Yeah.
Okay.
The water, right?
Yeah. So, where's the gas?
Outside.
Okay, the gas is off right now. Hmm? No, don't open the window. Don't open. Don't open anything. Just stay over here.